paper, scissors.
This is someone requested. Who requested it?
I don't remember because I didn't check that message way back when we first did our original video. Yeah.
Original video? We
Yeah.
only have one video up right now.
Exactly, it's our original video.
Right. Well, stop doing that! Oh, this is Jamie, by the way. You'll find her. She's a new person.
The new kid.
The new kid. She's the new kid, even though she's older than all of us.
That sounded great.
That's the new thing.
Just start and go.
Well, that's why it's my paper scissors.
Oh no! I got mustache tape. I got green tape.
I got my zebra tape. Alright, you ready to play? Mary, record me and Brianna.
Or Jamie record all of us.
Yeah.
You really can't? But maybe you should stop doing that. Okay, you ready?
Okay, round one. With Brianna and Athena playing rock, paper, scissors. Ding, ding, ding. Warm up.
No, you like this.
There's Athena's tummy.
My big tummy. Oh, that's big. What you got? There. Wait, you got what? Rejected. Rejected.
Rejected. Alright.
You ready? Okay, goes rock, paper, scissors, and then you go, okay? Yes. I'm not doing scissors! Rock, paper, scissors. I get to duct tape your face.
Ow.
Alright, I'm gonna have to. Alright, tear it off. Too much?
I think we're good. Great.
Let me think about it, that's okay! No! You are live! You want me to tape it while it's still in there? The flavor will last longer.
Like a G.
Hurry up and kill one! Did you say something about cheese sticks? Go. Wipe your mouth. Okay. Shut up! Oh, don't get your hair in there. It'll hurt. Don't laugh. Your spit will like. Shut up. Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors. There will be 5 rounds. Oh, that sounds great. This one sounds extra sad. Yeah, 30 minutes in the air like you just don't care. Oh, bend it a little. Okay. You sound funny. I'm wondering if I should do it this way. Okay, don't want to cover your nostrils up. Here, let me get that out of there. Stop moving back! You look gorgeous, honey. Okay.
Round 3.
Rock, paper, scissors. I win again! You poor thing. I think we should go to 3 rounds. I don't want to get duct tape. 10 rounds. How about 10 rounds? I don't want to get duct tape.
No, just 5 rounds.
Just 5? How about just 3?
Okay.
Okay, 5. 5. I was tiny. I was bent too. Oh, you're looking gorgeous. You got like a. You'd be a great duct tape supermodel. Let's pull your shirt down. You look funny. Oh wait. Rock, paper, scissors. No! There's nowhere to run. No mustache.
See, to fight it against a paper person. Prepare not to talk, Brianna.
What?
Prepared not to be talking.
But I like talking.
Wait, you ain't gonna be talking?
I'm gonna cry. Can you see the tears coming?
No. Your eyes are shut.
Sorry. I licked it.
Okay, play again. What round is this? 4? Oh, this is round 5? Okay. Okay, so Brianna.
Did you have a charger?
Mine's charging.
Another one?
A big cat. God damn. Wait.
What the heck was that?
How do I write down the score, yo? Just redo that one. So you got. Continue. How many rounds is this? Okay, so there's 5 for each? I don't understand.
Wait, does he have 5 or 4? 4.
I'll look in front of it. Up down the road. Pop one time. Got $20 in my pocket. You can't breathe.
Good, take it off, because I won!
So I mean you.
I get to play another round.
Okay, that's me and you.
No. Don't beat me.